free will is one of the main foundations of being a human being. Free will is what allows us to experience the human experience in an authentic way. Free will is the will of the body, whereas divine will is the will of the soul. To reach our highest potential, free will and divine will must always be aligned. When free will is not aligned with divine will, that is when divine will begins to step in to make certain circumstances arise, all with the intention of giving you your best chance of exercising your free will in the most productive way. The reason why being aware of both of these dimensions of will is so important is because it will give you the ability to maneuver through the obstacles that come your way in a very different, unique, and productive way. It will reshape your perspective of any and all obstacles as well. You are the one making the choice in both of these dimensions of will. The only difference between these two dimensions is that free will is a lot more apparent and tangible than divine will. And divine will is a lot more subtle and, of course, less tangible. But then the question remains, why would your soul ever choose to experience things like disease, disabilities, or any other experience that we consider a tragedy? Always remember to understand such a hard subject. Nothing that happens to you is here to hurt you, because all is connected to the same divine source, and the divine source would never do anything to hurt itself.